Hey guys, it's David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and I've got just a couple of minutes, so I thought I'd go ahead and film this truck for you because I don't think I have this on the website yet. This is a 2003 Chevrolet. It's a 4500 series. It's running the 6.6 Duramax motor under the hood. It's got a nice little 6-speed manual transmission. Right there. Interior on the truck is straight, it's clean, very nicely done. I bought this directly from the previous owner. They ran a small family business in California. They were a tree trimming operation. Nice people. California came along and said that it wasn't carb compliant by their emission schedule and literally forced them out of business. So kind of a bad deal. It's got a whole 94,000 miles on it. Starts, runs, drives. This really is a nice running little truck. Two-wheel drive, 4500 series. It's got cruise control. It's got power windows, power door locks. Headliner is coming loose, so you might have to do something with that. But outside of that, it is clean. I mean, this thing is remarkably clean. It's a California truck. So there's good news, bad news here. Good news is, man, there's no rust on this cab anywhere. Look at that. No rust on the frame. This is a California truck, so that's what you'd expect. Even the bottom side of the box has got a nice wood flooring in it. And even the bottom of the box is really, really solid. Unfortunately, it's a typical chip dump truck. So what happens is they leave stuff in the corners, and so what happens is it sits there and it gets wet and it rots, and you know what happens. Almost every chip dump you look at has this. So what somebody needs to do is just go on, just weld a little patch across there like that. I would go all the way down if it was me. It's actually through in a couple of spots here. But if you just were to weld a little piece of plating across there, keep it the same length so it looks nice and pretty, spray a little paint on it, you'd be really, really good shape. Does have the nice big swing open doors on it. It's got a tarp on it right there. Tarp is a not a roll-up tarp. Tarp is a one like that you lace it up and take it up and down. So when this is sitting in a regular position, you just blow the stuff right in there. You don't have to worry about it blowing out on the highway when you're going down the road with it. Tires on it are absolutely spectacular. Big, huge toolboxes, one on each side. I don't know if you picked that up over there or not. Step sides on it. Looks like it's got alloy wheels all the way around. I guess I didn't even notice that before. It's got the Duramax 6.6, as I said. It's got the optional chrome grille on it. And it's a straight truck. It's a nice truck. But it just needs a home. You guys need to give me a call. It's a 2003 Chevrolet 4500 series. So being a 4500 series, it's got, I believe, look at the website, I believe it's probably going to end up being a 14,000 pound GVW or something like that, much more than a 1-ton would be, and a non-CDL, of course. So 2003 Chevrolet, if you can use that truck, you give me a call. I'm right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. My personal cell phone number, 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.